Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Three Koi Fishes channel. Today, I'm super excited because I have my amazing friend Sophie here. We're going to dive into a topic that's close to my heart, and hopefully yours too, the incredible power of play for our little ones.
Hi everyone, I'm so glad to be here, Joy. And yes, play is absolutely vital for babies. It's not just fun, it's fundamental.
Exactly. We're specifically talking about games, like board games, simple card games, and even just interactive play with toys. So, Sophie, let's start with the basics. Why is engaging in these types of games so important for a baby's development?
Well, Joy, games are a fantastic way to stimulate a baby's brain in multiple ways. First, they enhance cognitive development. For example, simple peekaboo games help babies understand object permanence, the idea that things still exist even when they can't see them.
Oh, I remember doing that with my little one. It's amazing how much they learn from something so simple.
Absolutely. And as they get older, simple board games with colors and shapes help them develop pattern recognition and problem solving skills. Think about matching colors, sorting objects, or even rolling a die and moving a token. These actions build crucial cognitive pathways.
That makes perfect sense. And what about social and emotional development? I know playing together is a big part of that.
Definitely. Playing games fosters social interaction and emotional regulation. When babies interact with us during play, they learn to take turns, share, and follow simple rules. These are essential social skills. Plus, games can be a great way to bond and create positive emotional experiences.
And what about language development? I feel like I'm always talking to my baby during playtime.
You're right to do that. Games are excellent for language development. When you describe actions, name objects, and use simple phrases during play, you're exposing your baby to language in a fun and engaging way. For instance, saying, "Where's the red block?" or "It's your turn," helps them connect words with actions and objects.
That's so true. And I've noticed how playing with toys and games also helps with physical development.
Absolutely. Games involving reaching, grasping, and manipulating objects help improve fine motor skills. For example, stacking blocks, picking up small toys, or even turning the pages of a board book helps them refine their hand-eye coordination. And when they start crawling or walking, games that involve movement, like chasing a ball or playing hide and seek, enhance gross motor skills.
So, it's really a full body and full brain workout.
Exactly. And another crucial benefit is fostering creativity and imagination. Pretend play games, like using blocks to build a castle or playing with dolls, encourage babies to use their imagination and think creatively. They learn to create stories and scenarios, which is essential for developing their cognitive flexibility.
Okay, so let's get practical. What are some simple games we can start playing with our babies at different stages?
For newborns and young infants, peekaboo, making silly faces, and gentle touch games are perfect. As they get older, you can introduce simple stacking toys, soft blocks, and interactive musical toys. For toddlers, simple board games with large pieces, like matching games or color sorting, are ideal. And don't forget about pretend play with dolls, cars, and building blocks.
That's great advice. And what about screen time? How does playing physical games compare to digital games or videos?
Physical games offer a multi-sensory experience that screen time simply can't replicate. They involve touch, movement, and face-to-face interaction, which are crucial for a baby's development. While some educational apps might have their place, nothing beats the benefits of hands-on, interactive play.
I couldn't agree more. So, to wrap up, Sophie, what's your key takeaway for parents?
My key takeaway is to prioritize play. Make time for games and interactive activities with your baby every day. It's not just about entertainment, it's about investing in their future development.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Sophie, for sharing your expertise. This has been incredibly insightful.
My pleasure, Joy.
Thank you all for watching. Remember, play is powerful. So get out there, grab some toys, and start playing with your little ones. We hope you found this video helpful. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. And as always, happy playing! See you in the next video.